LNC fam, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house, and I want to say happy 2020 new year. Woohoo! Super pumped about this year. Lots of new things happening to the channel. We're finally dropping the website where you guys could buy the merch, hats, sweaters, t-shirts, whatever you guys like, and also we'll put our links in the website, any card that we have available, so you guys could look at our inventory, and if you guys like it, you could buy it. Or if you guys want us to buy you your dream car from a salvage auction, we'll be more than happy to help you out. We could buy it for you, rebuild it, register it, and get you all set up so you could enjoy a beautiful, clean salvage vehicle. Simple and easy. So reach out to me. I'll put my email in the description. And another big thing, I want to say big thank you to you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive feedback and comments. Man, I'm speechless. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because I post new videos every week, new videos, so you guys don't want to miss out on any of the new content. So enough of this talk, and let's go check out our new project. From Copart. So this is gonna be interesting. It won't start, so hopefully we could get it up and running. But yeah guys, we just bought a Ferrari. It's a FF, so for some reason at the auction it didn't start, but we're gonna try to get it going. The battery is dead probably like crazy, but we'll get it going. All right, let's go. Конечно.
Короче, бро, ты реально думаешь, что ты ее заведешь?
Сейчас попробуем.
То есть ты решил прям четко?
О, я.
Я с тобой залезу.
Не таких заводили. So yeah, the back end got injured pretty good. So hopefully I could get this thing up and running and we could just drive this off the truck. Look. Airbags didn't deploy, so that's a good start. Looks like airbags didn't deploy.
Володя, где аккумулятор, братан?
Блин, что-то не видно. А, вот он. Капот этот. Да, можно было. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
По-моему, не хватает.
Yeah. So let it charge for a little bit. Nothing, huh?
Nothing, bro.
Was that like that at the auction too?
Yes, in Florida, nothing.
Okay, let me get another jumper.
Okay.
You have a jumper?
I have one.
Yeah, bring it.
Вот здесь вот, видишь, вот проводка скрученная. И здесь вот даже разъединено чуть-чуть. непонятно.
А, ну да, это может граунд быть.
Ребята решили попробовать третий бустер, короче. Сейчас посмотрим, что будет из этого.
Okay, try it.
Я не поменялось питание.
Woo! Give it some gas! Give it some gas! Okay, let it run, let it run.
Работает, короче, вылазь нормально. Охренеть можно, Володь.
Ну я же знаю свои Ferrari, елки-палки. Okay, let it run. All right, I got the Ferrari started, so now I'm gonna try to back up and unload this. Got the car started, but the axle is ripped off in the back, so we can't drive the car out. But we got a solution thanks to Dan. Чердак исполняет. He's gonna pull it with his car down. So yeah, something crazy, but we'll give it a try.
Okay, hold the brake, we're gonna disconnect the chain. Okay, everybody on the brake. Hold the brake. Okay, закинь его в транс, этот цепь. Я держу.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go next, slowly.
That's too much.
Straight, just keep it straight.
You're good.
Good.
All the way back and kill the battery. Okay, shut it off, shut it off. Kill the car. The key. Ну, спасибо тебе, братан.
Да нема за что. Блин, ну тут, конечно, плюс 100, ребят, плюс 100, смотрите. Yeah.
That was a challenge.
See? Remember we told you we'll get it down, don't worry. My job was to start the car. I did what I did.
Oh, man.
But there she is. Там задний axle оторвало. Yeah, so the reason it didn't drive, the back axle is ripped off.
Asshole вырвало.
But this is, это кукла, блин. Это кукла? Да.
Почему?
Got the Ferrari in the shop, so let's take a closer look at this beast. This is gonna be a donor car. The only thing we're gonna use from this car is the interior, engine and transmission. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strip this car down to the metal like I did with the Lamborghini, so they could do the 3D pictures of the car that they're gonna be building. But this is from Copart, third party. This is the kind of cars you guys don't want to buy. As you guys could see, had a front end collision pretty bad. Here's the before picture when the insurance company was selling it. So what they did, kind of try to make the hood a little more straight. I think they did something to suspension. And that's it. And let's go around the back, and same thing with the back. So back end, they try to straighten the tailgate with some heat. Same with the quarter. And then they try to fix the suspension so at least the car rolls and throw it back at the auction. So they paid $39,000 for this car plus auction fees and all that good stuff, and then they did a little bit of work and then they try to resell the car and make more money, but unfortunately they weren't able to make any money on this, probably lost a couple grand, and we end up buying this car for 40 grand. But this car is perfect for us because we need his engine, transmission, and the interior, complete interior, and none of the airbags deployed, so that is really good. That's exactly what we're looking. Engine starts, the car would drive, but the rear axle on the right side is completely ripped off, so this is why it's not driving. So, alright guys, that's a wrap for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2, we're gonna get down and dirty. We're gonna start dismantling this whole car completely, like we did with the Lamborghini Super Trofeo. This is another one of their cars, Nick from Driven Concept. But now my job is to strip this car, get it ready like it looked like the Lamborghini looked. I remove both quarters, doors, fender, hood, trunk, pretty much strip the whole car, because the only thing we need, engine, transmission, interior, and then the sketches, the 3D sketch of this whole car, so they could start building their crazy, whatever car they got in plan. But can't tell you that yet, but stay tuned. We'll reveal that car later on. So for now, subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.